YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the new brand that's out there, Lofty Dream Club. My son, both of the sons were walking around the mall, and then they went to one of this pop-up shop in the mall. So I will include on the website and then show you guys on the products toward the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I believe this is a pretty new company that's out there. So let's go ahead and get it started. So it comes with this nice plastic bag. As you can see, it says Lofty Dream Club. This is size medium. And I like this thing. This is like a embroidery on the shirt, which is pretty colorful and has like a 3D effect. So let's go ahead and get this out of this bag. So right out the bag, the shirt looks pretty good, but it's kind of rough compared to the Palace. So they have double stitching on around the arms. By the way, the shirt is $25, okay, plus tax. Which is they don't even have this on their website. They have the white color, but only size small and then extra large or something. But so right here, I'm trying to show you guys this around the shoulder area. It's double stitching at all, and then on the back here too. So which is pretty different compared to like the Supreme. So let's go ahead and check out this stitching. This is the front, Lofty. Let's see if I try to show you guys quick. So as you can see, when I try to tilt it, it's like a 3D. So those stitchings are pretty nice, but hopefully it's not gonna get cut or something, and then the thread is gonna become loose. And then this is the bag right here. Check out the inside of the inner stitchings. So if you wear this, I'm not sure if this thing is gonna scratch you, because it's a pointy edges, and during summertime it might be uncomfortable. So we'll see. Maybe we should do like a review later on, after my son wears them and stuff. Because I don't really like the imprint on the front, because during summertime it tends to sticking onto your sweat if you sweat a lot. So let's go ahead and check out the inner label and see what kind of material is this and where's it made from. Should be China or Vietnam, I think. So unfortunately, there's no label or say anything about the material. I'm trying to flip it. So I guess some of the t-shirts, they're not cut anymore. Because sometimes you see like cut or stitches around the edges or on the side of your body. But this is like a one piece. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this Lofty Dream Club t-shirt. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up. And then be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this with your friend, family on social media, or drop me any comments on below. Alright, stay tuned toward the end of this video for the try-on video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, happy Monday, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out. So here we are at the Lofty Dream Club website. As you can see, it says welcome or shop now. If you want, you can click on shop now, or there's products, and then you could also look at the return policy right here. So let's go ahead and then click on shop now. And when you click on shop now, it shows you all the products. You got the jogger if you want to go in there, or hats, hoodies, t-shirt, or crop tops. Right here, it shows you all the products right now of the apparels. This is the Lofty striped shirt for $30, which is very good price. And this one is very creative and a little bit different. As you can see on the left and right hand side of the arm or the sleeve, it has a unique different color. On the left hand side is more like a burgundy color, and the right hand side is like a purplish stripes. And right here they have a size large and extra large left, and for $30, it's a pretty good price, I guess, because they starting their own business. Try to keep it low. This is the mustard corduroy hat for $30. Unfortunately, it does not show on the back what kind of, is it a snapback or has a leather strap for the adjustments. And this is another teal corduroy hat for $30. So let's jump back to the other item. The other item is just another beige corduroy hat for $30. Or the navy color. This is the one that I'm talking about, the white Lofty tee. This one they only have a size small and then an extra large left. I'm not sure on the website how come they didn't sell the black color. And this is what it look like on body. See, they only have the white color available for $25. And then next one will be this burgundy Lofty tee. And then they have size small, medium, and then extra large. And on the left of the sleeve, say F King something. Let me check real quick. Oh, F King smile. So I guess this is the smiley face. Kind of. Oh, there you go. It has a two of the dollar sign with the Lofty Dream Club, like a smiley face right there, and the dollar sign, which would be the eyes, and then there is your something smile right there. I cannot say it, So let's go ahead and then go back to the other shirt. The other shirt would be this orange lofty tee. So they have a size medium, large, and extra large left. And then the next one will be the black color. And this is with the green words, and then smiley face the same color. And then they have all the sizes still available here, except the large. So let's go to scroll down to the next item. The next item will be this blue lofty Dream Club Dash hat for $20. So LDC, that's abbreviation. Established 2016, so it's been out for 2 years already. Wow. So I guess they finally have one of the pop-up shop in the mall. And then this is the black lofty Dream Club crop top for $30. Currently it is sold out right now. And then on the back you have that lofty Dream Club. I'm pretty sure it is imprint on there. I don't think it's embroidery on there. Next one up would be this off-white lofty Dream Club crop top. Again, this is $30. It has like a flower on the front of the left of the chest area, and then lofty Dream Club on the back. So let's jump into the next item. Will be this lofty long sleeve shirt. They have size large, extra large, and two extra large. For $25, that's a pretty good deal. Compared to the Palace, they run about like $58 plus $10 shipping. I'm not sure about the shipping on this website, because we copped them on the pop-up store in the mall. So this is the lofty Dream Club black hoodie for $30. Wow, that's pretty good price for $30. So I guess I gotta start my own merch. Let's jump into the next one. Be this black jogger for $35. And then they have a size small, medium, large, and then extra large. By the way, I'm not affiliated with the Lofty Dream Club, okay, and not sponsored. So I'm just trying to do a review on this product real quick for you guys to check them out if you guys are interested. And then this is the forest green jogger for $35. Currently it is sold out. It's an orange Lofty Dream Club logo with the beige drawstrings. Then let's jump into this one. This is the green Lofty beanies for $10. Wow, that's an awesome deal. And there's a flower and then a Lofty embroidery on there. Wow. $10, you cannot go wrong. And then you got this blue Lofty beanie, and it is available. You click on add to cart. Click on add to cart and see if it shows me the shipping. So if I check out, let me see what's the shipping fee. It didn't show. Let me click on shipping and see. Oh man. So you gotta enter your name and then email address. Let me check on it. So if I click on next, it should show me the shipping, and then it still didn't show me the shipping. I guess it's a shipping address. Maybe you gotta get toward the end, so I'm not gonna go do that. Then I'm gonna go back and then finish up my video. Let's see. So in case you guys know how much is shipping, you could drop a comment on below. This is the Mustard Lofty beanie for $10. So this is what it look like. Okay, so let's jump into the next one up. This would be the Black Lofty for $10. And then the last item will be the Lofty Dad's hat for $25. It is currently sold out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please hit us up and share this with a friend, family on social media. Drop me in the comments below. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.